Hey friends, we're in the Toyota Tacoma today, and I want to show you this cup holder thing because I think this is the absolute easiest fix that most of us can do that makes a significant difference. Now, in these older Tacomas, this is a 2010, we do have a cup holder that fits these cans really well. But if you have multiple people here and you have different size water bottles and things, well, using these cup holders is critical. But if you have a broken one like ours, these things can slide around, bump around, they're really just not secure. Again, different size water bottles make for a really bad experience if you don't have any kind of functionality with that. Well, this can actually be replaced super easy by buying a new one on Amazon. In fact, here is the new one. We'll put links in the description box below if you'd like to purchase one of these for yourself. And again, they're super easy to swap out. Basically, we can just pull this one up. You can see it has a few slots that are grooved there. You can also see that this one is broken. The little inserts that snug things down are missing. We can then grab the new one, make sure the arrows are on the far end like this, basically slide that down into place, and now we have these rotating arms again to give us the perfect amount of hold for our drinks, water bottles, those kind of things, to keep everything nice and secure. It's that easy. Definitely makes a significant difference, I've found, just having that work. So hopefully that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Again, we'll put links for this specific piece down in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself on Amazon. Take care. Stay tuned. We got a ton more of these Toyota Tacoma hacks, fix videos to make your life just a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.